What's good, loyal fam?
Welcome back to 12 Days of Christmas, Day 8.
Day 8.
It's your girl, Nene.
It's your boy, Reese.
And we're back with another lit video. So if y'all ready to get lit, say we lit.
We lit.
Yeah.
Let's get it.
So today, guys, we got a little challenge going on. We have to guess what's inside of these bags. I don't know what's in his bag. He don't know what's in my bag. So this should be fun. And we gotta do it with our eyes closed.
So that'll make for the perfect composition. Can't see, you gotta guess.
All you gotta do is use your hands for feel and texture. And that's how it's gonna go.
Mm-hmm. And most definitely you have to try to figure out what's inside of each present.
I only got one bag, you know, but it's stuffed.
Yeah, and I got 3. Make it a little interesting.
Yeah.
I don't think she's gonna be able to, I think she's gonna get like 1 of these, but I don't think she's gonna get like 2 out of 3. But we'll see, we'll see.
Alright, y'all, let's get to it. And 3, 2, 1. You ready, babe? Oh, who's gonna go first?
Yes, sir. Rock, paper, scissors. You know how we do. You know how it's coming. Yay! You ain't winning this time. Let me dust off.
Alright, let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Best 2 out of 3. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Man, I lost, man. Alright, babe.
Alright, y'all.
Red-handed.
Let me open the bag first.
Alright, babe.
Keep your eyes closed. No peeking.
Okay, I feel the inside. Show them what it is, babe.
Okay, now you feel it, but keep your eyes closed.
I feel like an icicle.
That's your final guess?
No. Wait. No, it's too much to be an icicle. A tree?
Yeah, here's the tree.
It's a tree?
Yeah. Good job.
It didn't feel like a tree. Like, it didn't feel like a tree.
Okay.
But then I was like, we got too many bumps to be around.
Alright, y'all. He got it right. It's this little tree. And it lights up.
That's cool though, Christmas tree.
Oh, y'all can't see it, but it do light up. Okay, you got that one.
Alright. You wanna put your hand on?
Nah, it's my turn.
Close your eyes.
I got my eyes closed.
No peeking. Take your hand. Pull up. I don't know, man. I don't know if she gonna get it or not.
It's a ball.
Show the camera. What you think it is, babe? You get an attempt.
I see a feel of string, so it's an ornament. What?
Keep feeling.
I feel like a hat. This a hat? Wow, where is this? What is this? A circle?
I can't tell you.
Another little circle. It feels like glittery or something. What? It's a shoe.
Y'all think she gonna get it? Let us know in the comment section below.
Okay, wait a minute. So if it got a shoe, I feel one shoe. Okay, 1 shoe, 2 shoe. A ball. Another ball. And a hat. And something. It's a snowman.
Yes, exactly what it is. The snowman ornament.
Oh, that's cute.
Except the only thing you didn't name was the scarf. You got everything right except the
Oh,
scarf.
I was feeling this. That's a no.
Yeah, it wasn't a carrot one.
That's cute.
Well, it was, but it smashed.
Close your eyes. You-
I'm gonna feel hard.
What is it?
I'm trying to feel it. I don't know what it is, but I'm trying to figure it out. What is it, bro?
You wanna feel it with your other hand? You ain't gotta keep your hand on, just keep your eyes shut. You don't know how to close your eyes? For
I don't
that?
want to attempt to cheat. Feel different with my right hand, though. Okay, this is hard. I know it's like it's not an ornament, but it's like one of them Christmas, how would you say, glass thingies?
What knocks?
Yeah, I think that's what they're called. Okay, it's a body. It's definitely a body. I don't know what the hell this is right here. I don't know what that is, but I know this right here is an arm. Another arm. You got a little booty. I feel booty on my thumb. I ain't playing. Okay, it's definitely a person. What's the sharp line? Oh, let me feel one time. Arm, round. It don't got no feet. It's a snowman, ain't it?
Yep.
You ain't. Am I right?
Yeah.
You lying?
It's a snowman.
Oh, bro. This what I feel in the back.
Yeah, when you said it was a booty, it was this in the back.
That little round.
Well, here it is.
I ain't know. Oh, that was finna. This right here is finna throw me off.
Christmas tree.
I swear the Christmas tree finna throw me off. I ain't know what that was, and I ain't feel no feet.
Okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Man.
What?
What you think it is?
Oh, this feels like a sleigh. You know those little things on a sleigh? Okay.
But it ain't your average sleigh.
It's a globe.
Uh-huh.
A sleigh globe.
I mean, I think that's what it's called. Guess what's inside?
Inside?
You got everything else right, but just can you guess what's inside? Let me see it real fast.
Santa and
I don't know if y'all can see that, but
Santa?
that's your final answer. You want to fill again?
I can't tell what's inside. I feel a sleigh and like a present or something right here.
Let me see in the back. It's throwing you off too. Same thing threw me off. But you definitely right.
I don't know what's inside. A reindeer? Santa? A penguin?
No.
It's not a penguin?
Nope. Think more Christmas. Think more simpler.
Oh, a Christmas tree?
No.
A caroler?
No.
The Grinch?
No.
Whoville?
No.
A candy cane?
No.
A wreath?
No. It's something you always make every year.
A Christmas cookie?
No.
Something I make. A gingerbread man?
No.
A gingerbread house?
No. What else do you make besides like gingerbread houses and not necessarily mean cookie?
What? A tree?
No.
Something that you make.
Yeah. You build.
A light?
No.
I don't know.
You give up?
Yeah.
You can open your eyes.
A snowman. I got a wreath right. That's right.
Yeah, you definitely got. I said you got everything right, except for like what's actually on the inside.
And there was a present here.
But this threw you off.
Yeah.
The tree threw you off. I don't want it. It feels weird.
I said everything but a snowman.
Mhm.
That's funny. That's funny.
This snowman right here messed me up with the booty.
That's funny. Okay.
We ain't missed one yet. I feel like I'm gonna miss one. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like I ain't gonna be able to get this one or the next one probably right.
Boy.
What'd I get?
Close your eyes.
My eyes is I swear. On my granny.
You got about 6 different things.
I ain't gotta say what to close my eyes. My eyes tight.
Okay.
Okay. Can I show them?
Yeah.
What y'all think this is?
What you think it is, they see what it is.
Oh. What the hell? You got some dust on him, some glitter.
What you think it is?
Okay, you got a string, so it hangs. Can I get a hint?
Nope.
Really? I bet.
It's what you see in movies on Christmas time.
You must feel like it's a tree.
Nope, it ain't no tree.
You see it on movies in Christmas time. When you said that, the first thing I thought about is Home Alone.
Okay.
That's my favorite Christmas movie.
It was on Home Alone.
It was?
Mhm. A lot of it too.
Beginning or the end?
All over.
This ain't a person, because I don't feel no hands and no fucking feet. Does it go on top of Christmas tree?
Yeah, it can.
But it can't, because it got this.
It can go.
You trying to throw me off, ain't you? Yeah.
I mean, it can, whatever way you want to do it. Give up?
No, I can't give up. Snow? I'm wrong.
No, you kind of right.
I'm wrong?
You kind of right. But what do you call it when it's falling?
Snowflake.
Yeah.
Woo! Got my eyes, yeah.
Yeah.
Dang, boy, I put glitter everywhere. I put glitter everywhere trying to figure out what this was. This low key go crazy. That's cool. That's crazy, but it don't feel like close your eyes and try to touch it. It don't feel like a snowflake with your eyes closed. But that little hint kind of helped me appreciate you.
Dang, babe, you put it off the desk. Off the desk to get on me.
I mean, look more Christmas.
Alright, my turn.
Man, you better get this one right. You be so mad at you, you don't. You ready? Okay.
Y'all, this the last round, so. Where you at?
Oh, my bad. my bad.
Oh, it's soft. Okay. I feel it's a stuffed animal. And I feel a tail. And a foot. And a foot. And something right here. What? A heart. And an arm. And an arm. And an ear. And a big old ear.
What do you think it is?
I don't know yet.
What you think it is?
Oh, it has a trunk. An elephant.
Yeah, that's what it is. I thought you was gonna get it a lot faster because you know what I'm saying, you fool with elephants real tough. Like
Yeah, I love elephants. It's my favorite animal.
I thought you was gonna get it fast. I was like, man, you better get it. Don't be so mad at you.
Okay, last one, babe. You ready?
No. You ready?
Yeah.
It's a toy?
It's something. Kinda, sorta.
Okay, it's something that rocks back and forth.
Yep.
This a hat?
Yeah, it's a hat.
How you feel on my right hand? My right hand will get me on point. If I swing back and forth. What am I? Christmas related, right?
Yep.
This better not be no sleigh. Okay, this you said this was a hat. And it rocks back and forth. Santa Claus?
Yeah, it's Santa.
You lying.
I promise. Y'all, I was just about to say, y'all, I don't think he gonna get this one because it's a little complex. But he actually got it. It's Santa. You got it.
That's hard, boy. Ooh. I ain't know what it was though, cause I was like, man, when you said that was a hat, I'm like, okay, if it's a hat, they rock back and forth. But I didn't think he was in a chair. I thought he was in like a sleigh. I'm like, okay, what else would rock back and forth? That's Christmas. Can't be a snowman. Can't be a reindeer. Santa. That was the first thing I thought. But I didn't think he was in the chair. I thought he was in the sleigh. That's what it is, guys. Bro, I just realized we didn't miss anything.
We didn't.
I thought you was at least gonna get one wrong. I thought I was gonna get probably 2, 3 wrong.
Yeah, we got everything right.
Ooh, since the touch is up, bro, we got superpowers, baby.
Alright guys, this wraps up this video.
Yes,
Don't
sir,
forget to like, comment, share, and y'all already know, hit that subscribe
Yes,
button.
sir,
We'll see you guys back here tomorrow for day 9.
Day 9, man.
But until then, stay true,
Stay loyal, L's up. Peace.